Welcome back to the City Guru. Today, we're going to share 10 budget travel tips to help you explore Europe on a shoestring. Get ready to embark on the budget-friendly European trip of a lifetime. Tip 1. Plan ahead and be flexible. Planning your trip in advance can save you a lot of money. Look for deals on flights, accommodations, and attractions. Be flexible with your travel dates and destinations, as prices can vary significantly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and city guides. Smile. Use comparison websites and apps to find the best deals on flights, accommodations, and activities. Sign up for price alerts and be ready to book when prices drop. Also, consider alternative airports in nearby cities to save on transportation costs. Tip 2. Choose budget accommodations. Consider staying in hostels, budget hotels, or even using platforms like couchsurfing to find free accommodations. These options not only save you money but also provide opportunities to meet fellow travelers and locals. Take advantage of booking websites and apps that offer discounts and last-minute deals on accommodations. Read reviews and compare prices to find the best value for your money. Remember to book directly with the property when possible to avoid additional fees. Tip 3. Use public transportation. Europe has an extensive and efficient public transportation system. Make use of buses, trams, and trains to get around. Look for multi-day or multi-ride passes to save even more. Explore European cities on foot or by bike to save on transportation costs and experience the local culture up close. Many cities offer affordable bike rental services, and walking tours are often free or low cost. Tip 4. Cook your own meals. Save money by cooking your own meals or eating at local markets and street food vendors. This not only helps you stick to your budget but also allows you to experience authentic local cuisine. Visit local markets and grocery stores to find fresh, affordable ingredients for your meals. This is also a great opportunity to try regional specialties and interact with locals. Tip 5. Take advantage of free attractions. Many European cities offer free attractions, such as museums, parks, and historical sites. Do your research and plan your itinerary around these free activities. Keep an eye out for free events and festivals happening during your trip. These can include concerts, street performances, and cultural celebrations. Participating in these events can enrich your travel experience without adding to your expenses. Tip 6. Travel off-season. Traveling during the off-season can save you money on flights, accommodations, and attractions. Plus, you'll avoid the crowds and enjoy a more authentic experience. Research the best times to visit your chosen destinations and plan your trip accordingly. Keep in mind that off-season travel may also mean fewer tourists, allowing you to enjoy a more relaxed and immersive experience. Tip 7. Use a city tourist card. Many cities offer tourist cards that provide discounts or free entry to attractions, public transportation, and more. These cards can save you money and help you make the most of your trip. Before purchasing a tourist card, make sure to compare the benefits and costs to ensure it's a good value for your specific itinerary. Some cards may also include additional perks, such as guided tours or discounts at local restaurants. Tip 8. Pack light and smart. Packing light can save you money on baggage fees and make your trip more enjoyable. Bring versatile clothing and essential items, and remember that you can always buy what you need at your destination. Packing smart also means being prepared for the weather and cultural norms of the places you visit. For example, pack a lightweight rain jacket for unpredictable weather in cities like London or Amsterdam, and bring modest clothing for visiting religious sites in cities like Rome or Istanbul. Additionally, invest in a good quality, lightweight backpack or suitcase that is easy to carry and meets airline size restrictions. This will make navigating airports, train stations, and city streets much easier. Lastly, consider packing a reusable water bottle and reusable shopping bags to reduce waste and save money on bottled water and plastic bags while traveling. Tip 9. Stay connected on a budget using hacks. Stay connected while traveling by using free Wi-Fi hotspots, local SIM cards, or affordable international data plans. This will help you save on roaming charges and keep you connected with friends and family back home. Research the best options for staying connected in each country you visit. Some mobile providers offer special deals for travelers, while others may have more affordable local rates. Be sure to check the coverage and data limits before making a decision. Tip 10. Embrace local culture. Immerse yourself in the local culture by attending free events, festivals, and street performances. This not only enriches your travel experience but also helps you save money on entertainment. Take the time to learn about the history and traditions of the places you visit. Engage with locals, try new foods, and participate in cultural activities. This will not only make your trip more memorable but also help you gain a deeper understanding of the destinations you explore. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, so we can let you know about our next videos.